Students, welcome to online class. Today's lesson will be on past tense. Learning outcomes. After we have studied the unit, we will be able to narrate incidents and events in a logical sequence. Participate in conversation, discussions and debates. Read maps, charts, graphs, etc. Again, learning outcomes. After we have studied the unit, we will be able to narrate incidents and events in a logical sequence. Participate in conversation, discussions and debates. Read maps, charts, graphs, etc. Before starting the lesson, you have to learn and memorize the word meaning. First, survey. English meaning a general study. Survey, English meanings a general study. Synonym, audit. Synonym, audit. Antonym, negligence. Negligence. Significant, important enough to have an effect. Important enough to have an effect. Have an effect. Synonym, important. Significant, synonym, important. Antonym, insignificant. Tendency, an inclination towards something. An inclination toward some things. Tendency, English meanings, an inclination towards something. Synonym, inclination. Antonym, disclination. Decade, a period of 10 years. Decade, a period of 10 years. Decade, a period of 10 years. Grim, looking or surrounding very serious. Looking or sounding very serious. Synonym, fierce or shocking. Antonym, hopeful. Attraction, a feeling of liking. Attraction, a feeling of liking. Synonym, fascination. Antonym, repulsion. Youngster, a young person or a child. Synonym, juvenile, teenager. Antonym, elder. Opt, to choose to take or not to take a particular course of action. To choose to take or not to take a particular course of action. Opt, to choose to take or not to take a particular course of action. Synonym, select or prefer. Dissociate. English meanings to disconnect or separate from something. To disconnect or separate from something. rapid, done or happening in a short time, or a great rate. Synonym: quick or fast. Quick or fast. Antonym: slow. Shot up, to rise suddenly or grow very quickly. Shot up, to rise suddenly or grow very quickly. Synonym: go up or mount. Antonym: go down. Antonym ki go down. Underprivileged, having less money and fewer opportunities than most people in society. Having less money and fewer opportunities than most people in society. Synonym: deprived. Underprivileged, deprived. Antonym: privileged. Reduce, to lessen. Synonym: shrink or decrease. Antonym: increase or rise. Read the article, underline the word or expressions used in the article to show the changes in the data. The first one is done for you in the text. Read the article, underline the words, expressions used in the article to show the changes in the data. The first one is done for you in the text. Young people's changing attitude to pastimes. Young people changing attitude to pastimes. First, watching TV. Second, games and sports. Third, online or computer assisted programs. First, watching TV. Second, games and sports. Third, online or computer assisted programs. Here we can see the graph. There is change in people's preferences for pastimes. A recent survey shows that during the last 20 years, teenagers have gone through significant changes in choosing their pastimes. The survey results are presented through a graph which shows that there is a steady rise in young people's tendency to watch TV. In 1990, 41% of teenagers liked watching TV, which increased to 48% in the next decade, in the next 10 years, and it further increased to 52% in the next decade. Unfortunately, the picture is grim in terms of young people's attraction to field games and sports. While 50% of youngsters opted for games and sports in the 1990s. 50%. The figure was 12% less after a decade, 2000 at 38%. 50 minus 38. 50 minus 38 equal 12% less. After a decade at 38%, 2000. Unfortunately, the following tendency persisted through the next 10 years, and by 2010, it came down 25%. It came down 20%. In 2000, 38%. In 2010, 25%. 25%. Though the young people have dissociated themselves noticeably from games and sports. There is a sharp and steady rise in their association with online or computer assisted programs. People have dissociated themselves noticeably from games and sports. There is a sharp and steady rise in their association with online or computer assisted programs. In 1990s, when the users of online or computer for pastimes were only 9%. In 1990s, 9%. In 2000, the number nearly doubled, 14%. 14%. And with a rapid increase in the next 10 years, it shoot up 23%. It shoot up 23% in 2010. First, in 1990s, 9%, 2000, 14%, 2010, 23%, increasingly, day by day. The survey also explains the reasons for this change. It says that television has become a part of everyday life, even to the underprivileged section of society. This has resulted in large number of young people opting for watching TV as one of the most favorite pastimes. The increasing urbanization has reduced the number of open fields. Therefore, there is a fall in selecting games, sports at favorite pastimes. Though it's not a good news for the country, and the reason for selecting the computer assisted or online programs is that computer technology is getting cheaper, easier and more popular every day. Indeed, our young generations are stepping into the e-world. Here we can see a graph chart. In a graph chart, there is three sentences. First, topic sentence. Second, supporting sentence. Finally, concluding sentence. Here, the supporting sentence: young people changing attitude to pastimes. And others are supporting sentence, and concluding sentence: young generations are stepping onto the e-world. Now, work in groups and analyze the following graphs. Topic sentence: elderly people's changing attitude to pastimes in a community. First, watching TV. Second, playing cards. Third, drawing room chats. Finally, others. There are 4 columns. 4 columns. First, watching TV. Second, playing cards. Third, drawing room chats. Others in 4 columns. Others are in 4 columns. Now we will describe about the graph. Let's go start. Elderly people changing attitude to pastime in a community. A recent survey shows that during the last 20 years, elderly people have gone through a significant changes in choosing their pastimes. The survey results are presented through a graph which shows that there is a steady rise in elderly people's tendency to watch TV. In 1990, 32% of elderly people liked watching TV, which increased to 41% in the next 10 years. And it further increased to 49% in the next decade. There is also an increase in elderly people's tendency to play cards. Whereas 34% of elderly people opted for playing cards in the 1990s. 1990s playing cards 34%, 2000 36%, 2010 39%. Only 2% aided themselves. Only 2%. 36 minus 34 equal 2% aided. Next 10 years. After a decade, making it 39. And its rising tendency persisted on during the next 10 years, and by 2010 it came to 39%. 39%. On the other hand, there is a sharp fall in their drawing room chat. In 1990s, whereas only 17%. In 1990, 17% of elderly people used to chat in drawing rooms. In 2000, 12%. In 2000, 12%. The number decreased of 12%, and with a rapid decrease in the next 10 years. It fell to 6%. 2010. The survey also shows that elderly people's attitude also changed towards types of pastimes. In 1990, only 17% elderly people were interested in other types of pastimes, whereas in 2000, 11%. The percentage has gone down to 11%, and finally in the next decade the percentage has gone down to 7%. 7%. It is a clear indication that the passage of time, people are losing interest in outdoor pastimes. We can see the elderly people changing attitude to pastimes in a community, in a graph. Thank you, dear students. Next we will see another topics.